Now let's see the bitwise operators. Now assume that integer is stored in 8 bits. Okay, so one number is 60 and the other number is 13. Now this is the bit pattern for 60 and this is the bit pattern for 13. Okay, so 60 is 00 11 11 00 1 2 3 4 1 1 0 1. Okay, now if I use bitwise AND operation, this is bitwise AND operation, right? Then what happens is, bitwise we are going to take every 2 bits and we are applying AND. So what will happen here? 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0. So this is what you are going to see here. Now the next one is, this symbol is bitwise OR. So bitwise OR means we are going to take every 2 bits and we are going to apply OR, right? So 0 or 0 is 0, like this. Now if I apply OR, it is going to be 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, and next one is exclusive OR. So what is exclusive OR is, I take 2 bits, add them, and I take the remainder, right? So if I take 2 bits, add them and take the remainder, 0 and 0 if I add, it is going to be 0. If I take the remainder when I divide with 2, then it is going to be 0 itself, right? So again 0. Now 0 1, if I add these two, this sum is 1, and if I take the remainder when I divide it with 2, again it is going to be 1. So 0 0 1 1, and if I add these two, it is going to be, sum is going to be 2. If I take the remainder when I divide with 2, it is 0, and again the same thing here, 0 0 and 1, right? So this is exclusive OR. And this is NOT operation means we take bitwise NOT. So we take each bit and we apply NOT to it. So if it is 0, we make it 1, if it is 1, we make it 0, right? So if you observe this, that is what is happening. And the next one is A left shift 2. So this is left shift operator, and this is, let us say, integer. And now when I write like this, it means that I want to left shift all the bits by 2, right? So if you see this here, now left shift all the bits by 1, then what do I get? 0 followed by 1, 4 ones followed by 3 zeros, and then again left shift it by 1, then what do I get? 4 ones followed by 4 zeros, right? So if you observe it, the value has become 240. Now why did this happen is, whenever we left shift a number by, let us say, 1, it is nothing but multiplying with 2 power 1, right? Whenever I left shift the number by 2 bits, it is nothing but multiplying it by 2 power 2, right? If I left shift it 3 times, it is nothing but multiplying it with 2 power 3, provided that your integer, or the data type should be capable of storing this big value. If it can hold this big value, every left shift is nothing but multiplication with 2 power some number. Got it? And the next one is right shift. So right shift by 2 means, see, in this case, if you right shift it by 2, so it means that when I right shift it by 1, dividing by 2, right? And if I right shift by 2, it means that it is dividing by 2 power 2. Right? If you see this number 60 when it is right shifted by 2, it means that 60 is divided by 2 power 2, which means 60 by 4, right? So which is 15. Got it? In case if you get any fractions, that will be just not stored there. Okay, fine. Now let's see how to use these operators with a program. Okay.